Good morning. It is our first day in Oslo. We arrived yesterday but didn't do much of film. I did a wee room tour which I'll put in now. However, it was quite a long day. I don't know why it was only a 1 hour and 20-minute flight, but Edinburgh Airport was quite busy, and when we landed in Oslo we got train tickets to get into the city centre, but when we were on the train was cancelled and all trains were cancelled. So what we ended up doing was getting the bus, but because everyone had to get the bus to the city centre, it took ages to wait and we paid double the price. So it was supposed to cost, for 2 people for the train, we paid 238 Norwegian krona, and then in addition we paid 440 about, I think, krona for a 50-minute bus trip. We are trying to get our money back for the train, but yeah, so that was the start of our wee holiday. We're here for 4 nights. Well, I actually came here for a concert that is tomorrow, and yeah, we just went a bit of food shopping, got a few Too Good To Go's, but we haven't seen much, so we'll do some sightseeing today, and yeah, that's it. Just to give you a wee idea of the prices, we got Pepsi Max, some milk, and a bag of crisps. Right, it's already half empty, for 89 Norwegian krona, which is £8. Yeah, I think even for UK prices, I think that is expensive. So today we will also have a look for like a bigger supermarket, because those express shops will be quite expensive. We did bring, normally we don't do that, but we did bring, to save some money, coffee from Scotland, and we also got some of these ramen noodles. We bought 40 of them from Amazon for 15 quid? 12 quid. £12. And yeah, just to save a few pennies here and there. But we will be eating some Norwegian food, so we'll see and take you along. Right, before we trash this place, I'll give you a wee room tour. So this is our door, and then you come in and there's a wee studio. We've got a kitchen with everything, even a teeny dishwasher here, and a TV. We don't have a balcony, but our neighbours do. It's pretty warm, but it is raining today. What else? We've got a lovely bathroom. The only thing I think is missing is storage space, because we just have this wee bit in the kitchen, but we paid £350 for 4 nights for 2 people, and I think that's okay, and we'll also be able to save money by cooking ourselves. We did get 2 Too Good To Go's. We got 1 Indian Too Good To Go for 79 Norwegian kronen. What pan? Norwegian kronen, yeah. And we got a Too Good To Go like cupcakes. Wait, I'll just show you that, for 39 kronen.
Norwegian.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're in Norway, it will be Norwegian. And we got three cupcakes for that. So I think that's okay. With the Indian one, yeah, I think that's also okay. Ian says it's quite tasty. So we'll have a look and see if we can stick to Too Good To Go, or if we'll just start cooking ourselves. Right, so we got another Too Good To Go bag. We got one from a bakery for 39 Norwegian krona, and look what we all got. So we've got a muffin, and then that bread, and it's not just plain bread. I think that one is walnut, and then 2 wee fruit rolls, and then these pastries, and we had one of them, they're filled with like a cheese pepper mix thing. And we also got these 4 donuts. So we got it from Backstube Frogner. I think it's a chain here in Oslo, but for 39 krona, that is a really good deal, I guess. Should I go through here? Oh. Gosh. That's nice, huh? Do you know which direction we need to go?
Left.
Left. Average working hours?
I'll just like 35, 40.
Oh yeah. Probably like 40 hours, huh?
Yeah, I feel like we should be in 40.
Don't say that.
No, but I mean like, I would rather do 40.
Really?
Yeah, because I
Why?
mean, what's an extra fucking hour a day?
But then, would you get them more money?
Of course you would.
Right. Nah. I wouldn't. I like 7 hours a day.
See, I was doing 45 when I was on the other.
I know. I like the like pastel colours.
Oh yeah, the pastel, yeah.
Is it pastel?
Pastel, yeah.
I thought it was pastel.
No. Pastel.
That's my German coming through. Well, I think it's more because it is a Monday. Because Sundays, like in Germany, everything is closed and people don't really go out that much. And maybe it's the same here. This is the Faculty of Law.
Is it?
Well, I hope so, I think so. That's what I read at least. Yeah, if it's something juris something, then that is, yeah, university faculty. We never had such beautiful buildings at uni.
Yeah, well, yeah, but did they not have nice buildings? It must have
It
had
did,
Gothic
but
buildings.
we once had a lecture, and then the whole building had to be evacuated because apparently it was pretty dangerous or something like that, for health and safety or something like that.
Because like.
And then it never opened.
Because like Glasgow Uni's nice.
Yeah,
Strathclyde
Glasgow Uni is
also
really
has
pretty.
Strathclyde also has.
Yeah, that's true.
But then it has a lot of modern buildings.
Yeah, I don't mind modern buildings. I think like it's like the mix of both. We've been seeing that it's been pretty busy today compared to yesterday when we arrived. But yesterday was Sunday, and I can imagine that everything's pretty quiet here. Do you think this is the old building and that is the new one?
Yeah, I think it was. It opened in 1901.
All right,
and
yeah.
Then I don't know if it was a museum.
Oh,
between,
okay.
Something 1940, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I think it was used 1906 to 86. And then from the 90s to 2017 it was a museum. And then it was just a shop. I don't know.
Yeah. It's pretty mental that you can do this for free, you know.
I know. Because pretty much everywhere else
you would pay, yeah. We weren't able to go in here because it closes at 4 and it's just 4 now. But that's fine because we've got more than enough to see today, and yeah, I don't know, what's the next stop? Opera House, Ian?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're walking to Opera House now. This must be the ferry from Oslo to Copenhagen, or I'm not sure if DFDS also does Oslo to Kiel. I'm not sure about that, but it definitely does Oslo to Copenhagen. Right, so it's not to Kiel, it's to Friedrichshafen, but I guess that one is for Copenhagen. It is massive. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll see if we were able to stick to our budget. See you next week. Bye!